and welcome to Xinhua Live. I'm Yuqi from the Xinhua News Agency. The Tianjin International Shipping Industry Expo is underway here in the northern China's port city Tianjin, with the aim to promoting the development of the global shipping industry and the marine economy. So what's the highlights of this expo and what new products and technologies are exhibiting here? So join me to find it out. Why is so many people here? We got about 4 exhibition areas here. So this is the first one we will go into. As a major shipping point in northern China, the Tianjin port has trade links with over 500 ports in 180 countries and regions. In recent years, the Tianjin port has pursued a green and high-quality development by lowering the carbon emission and make a pioneering endeavor in innovation. So today I have invited my new friend, Ms. Fu, to give you more information about it and have a tour in the exhibition area of the Tianjin port. So hello, can you say hi to our audience and introduce yourself?
Yeah, briefly? Of course. Hi everyone, I'm Jihua Fu from Tianjin Port Group.
So first, can you briefly introduce this part to our audience?
Yeah, of course. Here we can see the panoramic view of the Section C part of Tianjin Port. Section C has adopted technologies like 5G, cloud, and artificial intelligence. And also, as the only 7-colored terminal, it is always seen as a bright and impressive landmark in the port area.
So we can see here on the roof of some buildings, there are many solar panels. And here we can see the wind-driven generators. This part is powered by the green energy.
Yeah, exactly. Because this is a green terminal, all equipments have used clean energy powered by solar and wind.
Can you give me some numbers or some data to show that how it contributes to the carbon emission?
Yeah, our annual carbon emissions can be reduced by 75,000 tons. 14% energy used in this port are green power, which is ranking in the forefront of the country's ports.
Okay, wow, that's a great number. So can we go on to the other part in this exhibition area? Okay.
Yuqi, I'm going to show you an exciting part of our exhibition. Through these VR glasses, we can see the actual scene on site of the key crane and the tower crane that are working at the terminal at this exact moment.
I can't wait to try it. Let me try. Okay. Wow, it's a real-time scene and the Section C. Oh, wow. And I want you guys to try it. Okay, here. So if you think about the Section C looks like any other shipping harbor filled with cranes and containers, but you look closer, you will see that there are no workers on the ground. Okay. You can go to other part here. And here is this giant trunk. Can you introduce it for us?
Yeah, of course. This intelligent vehicle is a new generation of artificial intelligence robot of transportation that is independently developed by Tianjin Port. And we call it ART. ART is used to carry huge containers in automated container terminals. It has super advanced autonomous driving ability, and the entire vehicle is equipped with sensors such as 5G-backed Beidou navigation satellite system, cameras, and remote controllers as well. It can carry out its tasks automatically under all weather conditions, improving operational efficiency of the port significantly.
Okay, thank you. And here we can see the market H2 is actually means the hydrogen. So this chunk is powered by the hydrogen.
Yes, it is. All our ART is powered by hydrogen as the power source. And when the ART is running low on power, it will automatically return to the charging pile for charging. Continuous operation time for ART is up to 12 hours after being charged for only 1 hour.
Okay.
So now let's take a step forward to look at the simulation system.
Yes, on this screen I can see some of the containers is uploaded from the ships. Is this what's actually happening in the port?
Yes, it's actually happening at Tianjin port every single day. What we can see here is the key crane remote control simulation system. Based on F5G technology, the console has ultra-remote telecontrol capability, so we can connect to the field bridge and the shore bridge 50 kilometers away from us at the conference venue to carry out remote operation. People can feel free to experience real operation scenarios like loading and unloading of a fully automated container terminal through 3D and VR here, which allows for a more immersive experience of the port's operational processes.
Okay, that is so funny. I have tried, but it's kind of difficult for ordinary people like me to get container uploaded from the ship. Okay, thank you so much for. Okay, thank you so much for your introduction here.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, I will go on to other exhibition areas on the expo. So thank you.
Looking forward to see you again. Bye.
Bye. This expo is really a big event for the global shipping industry, and this expo has attracted over 400 companies, and many of them are from abroad. And now we are at the exhibition area of the Russian Maritime Register of the Shipping, and I have invited some directors of this company to introduce some business part of this company. Okay. Here. 你好 ，Hello， 你好，你好，可您首先能请二位先就对着我们的镜头先介绍一下你们的职位吗？
Начало познакомьтесь с каждым.
Да, здравствуйте, меня зовут Петр Ванюков, я руководитель подразделения регистра судоходства в Китае.
我叫王尼科夫 Peter， 我是中国分社的最高负责人。然后我叫曹慧明，我是中国分社的副总。
Okay. So the Peter is the director of the Russia Maritime Register of the Shipping, and this sir is from the China office. So 以我们呢就开始我们那个采访了。然后第一个我们带来的问题是想先请两位领导先介绍一下咱们俄罗斯船级社，然后咱们的主要的那个工作内容是什么？然后先
Сначала немножко про регистр рассказать, что вы делаете, главные задачи.
Большая радость, что в этом году мы разговариваем, потому что в этом году регистру 110 лет, и китайскому подразделению нашему 20 лет.
首先我很高兴在今年接受采访。为什么强调今年呢？今年是船级社成立110周年。
So sorry, 我先翻译一下。So I'm really glad to be interviewed at this year's why this year? Because this year is the 110th anniversary of the company. Okay, go
然后
on.
在中国办公室呢是成立了20周年。
So the China office has been established for 20
years.
years. Yes.
И все эти годы регистр судоходства занят одним главным вопросом. Это вопросом безопасности мореплавания и сохранения человеческой жизни на море.
这些年110年和20年，我们只从事了一项工作，就是要保证人和船舶在海上航行的安全以及环境的安全。
So over the past years, so what the main commitment of our company is to ensure the safety of the people and the ships. Okay.
И работаем мы во всем Китае. Столица наша исторически Тяньцзинь. Вот. Сейчас у нас 2 здесь офиса в Хэси и в Тангу. Вот. И офис в Шанхае. Но на всей территории Китайской Народной Республики мы помогаем китайским производителям, заводам, российским судовладельцам поставлять и поставлять оборудование в Россию.
然后今天我们的公司总部在天津，天津是在滨海和河西2个办公室，同时在上海还有一个办公室。然后我们现在主要的是把中国优质的产品、优质的企业介绍给俄罗斯。 我们协助中国的产品，让他们获得我们的认证，让他们可以在俄罗斯领域畅行无阻。
Our company is headquartered in Tianjin, and we also have 2 offices in Tianjin and have another office in Shanghai. And we are committed to register some of the products from China, so that let them to go into the country of the Russia more smoothly.
В итоге, значит, завершая вот этот момент, могу сказать, каждое серьезное оборудование, которое идет на корабль, в море, на судостроительный завод, тщательно проверяется нашими инспекторами, российскими и китайскими гражданами.
我们主要是保证这个用于船上所有的设备的安全，所以我们这些验船师主要工作就是在生产过程中以及生产后的检验，对它以按照俄罗斯的标准进行验收，以保证他们在使用过程中的安全可靠。这是我们主要的日常工作。
So our job is to make sure that all the parts of the ships are safe, and we have some regular inspection for these ships, so that to make sure that all the operation of the ships are safe in their following operations. Okay.
Поэтому, ну вот я, мне кажется, рассказал, чем занимаюсь.
So that's all the business of the company. 好的，那我们的那个第2个问题就是咱们这次这个航运展会啊，在这个展会期间有没有和中国的一些合作伙伴有没有达成一些比较好的合作
Второй вопрос. У периода этой выставки есть какой-то договоренности с китайскими партнерами по работе?
Конечно, конечно, их немного, потому что выставка молодая, выставка небольшая для морской индустрии, но есть уже вопросы, с которыми подходили к нам новые клиенты, которые не знали о нас, мы рассказываем, поэтому есть вещи, которые будем дальше отрабатывать и развивать.
他讲中国有句好的谚语，就是好的开始是成功的一半。这个展会呢，虽然很年轻，是第一次，展会的规模也不是很大，所以他来参观的这个人数也不是很多，也不是涉及全国。但是即使这样，我们也有很多成效，有很多人来了解我们，需要和我们最后的合作。这个为我们在天津更好的开展工作也打下了很好的基础。
And they said that they have a quote from the Chinese saying that the good beginning is kind of half success for a business. So although this expo is not that big and attracted that so many people, but through this expo, many Chinese business and companies have get more familiar with our company, and so that we really believe that we can have more opportunities and cooperation in China.
Ну и потом нам исключительно важно именно вот в Тяньцзине Потому что мы единственное классификационное общество иностранное, у которого головной офис в Тяньзине, у всех в Шанхае, только у нас в Тяньзине. Поэтому выставка в Тяньзине, и мы в Тяньзине, это большой для нас прям праздник.
他说对我们很高兴的是，作为外国传奇社在华的机构，唯一的一个传奇社是把总部选择在天津，其他传奇社基本都选择在上海。所以说我们在天津，你们也在天津，展会也在天津，所以对于我们来说，这是我们的主场。
Oh, 明白明白。So for many global maritime register of the shipping, so many of them are headquartered in Beijing, but the Russian company is headquartered in Tianjin. So he is really glad to attend this expo in Tianjin. So really good coincidence, and he's really glad to be here to attend the expo.
Вот, поэтому многие какие проекты сегодня мы проговариваем, они будут развиваться только в будущем, а мы, в свою очередь, про эту новую бизнес-площадку будем больше и больше рассказывать российским партнерам и клиентам, и китайским, конечно.
当然，我们现在就开展了在这次展会期间接触的新客户、新的项目，这2天就展开深入有效的对以后工作开展的这些论坛、商谈。那么更多的是我们会把这次展会介绍给更多的俄罗斯客户，让他们认识到天津，认识到天津的展会，让他们也在以后的展会当中能够参与进来。
We have made many cooperation during this forum held in the expo, and the most important, I will introduce this expo, the Tianjin and the Tianjin port, to our business partners in Russia. 这是第2个问题，然后第3个问题是现在这个低碳、绿色、环保、数字化可以说是这个航运界的一个比较就是一个比较大的一个趋势，对潮流，对。现在我们想请就是你们能不能评价一下，然后中国在这方面做的是怎么样的，以及未来在这方面或者跟中国的公司有什么类型的合作
？Третий вопрос. Как вы знаете, сейчас зеленой энергии меньше выпуска, и цифровое это все сильно влияет на морской энергии. Как вы расцените Китая на эти части, как развить? Второе, то есть как ваше на будущее в Китае какое-то сотрудничество по этим вопросам?
Это исключительно важный вопрос, актуальный, своевременный, потому что вся морская индустрия, и мы вместе с ней очень внимательно за этим и следим, и принимаем самое активное участие в ее развитии этого вопроса. Это очень важно.
你提到这个问题，在当今这个航运界是举足轻重的重要。我们也不会远离，也会和中国企业、中国的相关的部门共同研发，共同来在这条绿色发展，在这个数字化产业等等相互融合中，我们会共同努力的。
So I have asked a question about that, the green, the digital, and the AI is kind of a trend of the global shipping industry. And the Peter said what I mentioned is really important, and he will make more cooperation with Chinese companies in this field. 谢谢。Next, I will show you a drone developed by Chinese drone manufacturer. According to SkyLogic Research, a drone analyst company, this Chinese drone manufacturer holds about 70% of the worldwide civil drone market. So let's go and see it. Okay. 你好。
你好。
你好。I have invited engineering from the Dajiang company, and he will introduce this drone for you. 首先您能不能就面对我们的观众，然后介绍一下您的职位？
大家好，我是大疆解决方案工程师张俊鹏。
Okay. Okay, I will translate. I'm Zhang Junpeng from the Dajiang company, and I'm an engineer of the drone. Okay. 那现 下来我们的就是介绍一下我们的这个
对，这
新款的无人机哈，
这款是大疆机场，然后我们可以看到它整体现在是一个闭合的状态。
Okay. This actually is a drone. Maybe you cannot see it because this box is closed right now. Okay.
然后我们机场整体是有 IP55的防尘防雨等级，也说是可以防中雨及大暴雨这种概念。
So this machine is totally waterproof, so it can work during the rain weather.
然后机场上方配备了一些气象站，或者说是气象仪，还有雨量传感器。它可以在我们说在雨中的时候，它可以监测到风力等级和雨量等级，然后进行这个监测机舱周围，我们说机舱周围环境。
So this machine can monitor how strong the wind is, and this part can get how heavy the rain is.
然后我们现在机场整体属于没有充电的情况下，所以说打开的话需要手动进行打开。然后成哥打一下。
So now we will open this machine.
降低人员受伤及财产损失风险。DJI Pilot 2为运
稍等一下。
开发了全新界面，支持社区多个备降点。
Kind of like a magic machine. So when we open it, so the drone will show you here.
然后我们映入眼前呢，它是大疆的 M30系列，然后我们可以整体的机身，它的续航时间是40分钟。
So this machine can work about 40 minutes after one charge.
我们在机场里面，它可以自主的对它的电池进行充电，充电的间隔时间是25分钟。
It can charge itself within this machine, and it will charge within 25 minutes.
我们可以看到机身周边有很多的这种镜头，这个就是避障镜头，它是一个感知系统的避障镜头。
You can see there are so many cameras around the body of this machine. It can sense the distance about other buildings like trees around the machine. Wow.
现在它正在滑轨正在打开。这个动作就是即将它就可以进行起飞，在室外的时候。
So now you can see this drone is about to fly.
然后我们可以看到它当前的这个主镜头。主镜头它现在具有不同的几个镜头，有变焦镜头、红外镜头、广角镜头、测距镜头。
So this is the main camera of this drone. It can sense the distance or the temperature of anything on the ground.
然后变焦镜头可以，我们说在高空，在不贴近障碍物的情况下，可以远距离去查看细节的物体。
So it uses this camera to capture the details of the objects with a long distance.
红外镜头可以进行监测温度，测距镜头可以监测飞行器距离被测物的一个具体的距离。
So as I mentioned, these cameras can sense the temperature of the objects. OK， 那您再说一下它在这个港口中会有什么样的运用呢？
我们像这架无人机在港口中有几大运营的一个方向。第一个就是我们说港区内有一些违章停车的情况，我们无人机可以进行巡逻的进行监视。
So it can be used at the port if it find a car is parked in the wrong place. It will monitor it and want it to go away.
然后港区内有一些，比如说车辆超速情况下，我们可以再配上一些喊话器，可以进行宣传和警示的作用。
If some car is driving about the speed limit, it will warn this car and let him to slow down.
或者说我们在港区内发现了有一些可燃物体着火了，我们的无人机可以第一时间去到那个地方，然后把画面传到指挥中心进行实时的监测。
Okay, if it find that there is a fire in the port, it will maybe immediately take a picture and send the picture to the computing center, so other staff will know there is maybe a fire emergency.
对，还有一些比如说集装箱随意堆放的这种问题，它也可以进行巡逻去监控。
And to monitoring all the containers on the port. Okay.
我们其中最后还有一点，因为它是无人值守机场嘛，所以说它可以我们说可以拿到电脑，在远程千里之外去控制无人机进行规划航线。
So all staff just need to sit in the office, so the drone will do all the things.
然后进行这种港区的巡逻，这是它的一个作用。
So it will automatically patrol around the port. 好嘞，大概就是这么多，谢谢您的介绍。然后您就是整体的介绍非常的全面以及细节哈。那现在它这个无人机在哪些港口已经开始运用了？
比如说天津我们本地港口，全国基本各地的港口基本都会应用这种机场，会比较多在中国。
Some of this type of drone has been already used in China's ports, and the Tianjin port is one of the example. 谢谢您，谢谢您。
好的，好的。
好，That's all the highlights of the Ship Expo. We are wrapping up today's Xinhua Live. Thank you for watching and see you next time.